In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening an app called Themes and clicking on the Themes sections in the featured categories or top areas over here. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to, also hitting themes over here. After you find perfect theme for you, you can tap on download and choose apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access the same app, go back and tap on Me category at the bottom right corner. Then select one of your preset themes, hit apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!